Today, Sheila Natha's kitchen. I'm going to cook mee curry. Let's see what's the ingredients. We have a mee, boiled these 3 eggs. We have a sponge tofu. We have some chicken, fish ball, and long beans, 2 onions, 4 cloves of garlic. I have bit piece of ginger, got lemongrass, red turmeric, I got bit galangal and red chili. Okay, we need a blanched beans sprout. Okay friend, we need a coconut milk. Okay friend, lemongrass we have to slice. Okay, all have to blend together. Add some water. Yes, one minute. Okay friend, I want to boil the egg. I put some oil so easily the skin will come out. Okay, boil the egg first. Tablespoon of oil. We have to cook the paste first until the oil breaks. Right? The chili already cooked. Add the chicken. I want the chicken to cook a bit. Some curry leaf. Blender. How much water you want? Then later we have to pour the milk. Let the chicken cook. How much salt you want? For 10 minutes let the thing boil. Okay, close for 10 minutes. Okay friends, they have to boil the water to steam this. Okay, after just a few minutes. Okay friends, you can strain the water. Okay, Okay, we can add vegetable. Fish. Cut this a bit. Just cut a bit. Okay friends, another 5 minutes. Okay friends, all cooked well. I'm going to pour now. See friends, how beautiful the color. So beautiful. Okay friends, you can pour the 1 packet of coconut milk now. Some coriander leaf. Let's see. Okay, meat curry done. Hi friend, this is meat curry. Okay, it's ready. Okay friend, we have Mika curry meat. It's a curry here. Chicken. Okay. We have mihun, yellow mihun, because my family like eat mihun also, so I make me and mihun. We have a boiled egg. We have a spicy sambal here and coriander leaf. We have the lemon here. Blanched beans sprout. Spring. Okay. Okay. Sambal. So you all saw how I cook meat curry, simple and easy. This is my style of cooking meat curry. So I hope you all cook and try this meat curry. I always want to upload my meat curry. Today only I got the time to cook. So I hope all of you enjoy cooking meat curry Chilana rasa. Okay, let's try. It's really nice. Everything is very delicious. This meat curry must know, cook the curry must have nice taste. And then everything will super. You can put prawns. Anything you want to put, you can put. No problem. But the texture of the curry, you must know the ingredient, what ingredient you're putting, makes texture of the curry. Very meat curry is very important. This gravy. Okay, okay, okay. All of you enjoy. Try to cook and enjoy. So see you all with another dish. Bye for now.